we cook and eat Rosca de Reyes. It is a tradition from Mexico, but it started in Spain on the 6th of January. The three kings visited baby Jesus, and we make this wheat bread with a baby Jesus hidden inside. Whoever finds a baby doll in their piece of bread, it is the king or the queen of the day, and have to make a party on the second day of February. And this is make it. This is how we make it.
Here. Those are the three kings. Wait, can I move it? This is what we need for Rosca de Reyes. Eggs, and flour,
Cherries,
and
butter,
salt,
and sweet condensed milk, and candied fruit, and yeast, and the most important thing, Savannah,
is the babies.
okay. So we're gonna need the yolks from 8 eggs.
So you do one? Wait, Mom, look at.
Need 5 cups of flour. Wait until the next one. Okay.
No.
Now we need the dough, and we roll it and roll it.
you knead it and have to throw it on the table. And mix with the flour.
You wanna do it, Savannah? Okay, go, Savannah.
Wait, and you need first one.
Okay,
This
yeah.
one's gonna be ugly. Are we gonna take turns? Cause we need to see who's the best at it.
The most important part is you need to knead it, and then you could throw it
Until it's soft.
until it's soft.
Hard, Savannah. All right. Good job, guys. For that we need to just cover in a
layer.
and then put it in a warm place and to just leave it rest. Okay. Now that it's double the size, we're just gonna make it in a round shape like a ring, and we're gonna hide one of these little babies.
Close your eyes.
And when it's ready, we're gonna put the fruit in the top and make it double the size again, and we're gonna put it in the oven to bake.
And it doesn't have to be.
So now we make it in a ring shape, and
Erase that. What?
it's like a ring or a crown shape, and we're gonna decorate it with
No! Me
fruit.
too. That's not what you're supposed to write down. Yeah.
Like kiwi or cherry or pineapple.
Addition book.
And we're gonna put it in the oven,
Mommy, is
and
this
that's it.
Mom, did you put the babies in?
Yeah.
Oh.
So we just decorate with the last with the fruit, and it's ready for the oven.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's just pineapple and cherries, and that's it, kiwis, because we didn't have lemons. But that's all, and now it's going to the oven.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready, Stefan?
Done?
Yeah.